Hello guys! Good day! Welcome na naman sa ating Hamster Combat wherein andito tayo ngayon guys para sa ating Daily Cypher. Ayan, meron tayong 1 million guys na additional points kapag syempre na-achieve natin no, yung pinaka Morse code natin for our daily daily Cypher. And then yung pinaka Morse code natin ngayon guys is burn. B-U-R-N. So sa B is dash tapos tatlong dot, sa U dalawang dot tapos dash, sa R dot dash dot tapos sa N dash tapos dot. Okay, so gawin na natin yan guys. So ulitin natin yan, daily Cypher dash tapos dot 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 tapos dot dot dash tapos medyo nagang ata Nagang tayo guys, nagang tayo. Ayan hindi na umano yung pinaka-dash. Ulitin natin. Ayan, kahit pindutin ko guys yung medyo naghang tayo. Ulitin natin. Okay, so daily Cypher dash dot 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 tapos dot dot dash tapos dot dash dot tapos dash tapos dot. Ayun, so ganun lang kasimple guys. So again, ang ating daily Cypher for today is burn. Ayan, so take the price na natin para sa ating additional na 1 million points. And then syempre guys, yung daily reward guys, huwag nyong kakalimutan kung kunyari ito, napanood nyo na. Ayan, so panoorin nyo lang yan guys. Tapos, yan, pwede naman yung i-pass forward. Ang daming ads. Ayan. Okay, tapos fast forward. Tapos pwede nyo nang i-back. Ayan. Tapos ito. Yun, napanood na pala natin. Tapos ito, huwag nyong kakalimutan guys. Ayan, isama para sa inyong daily Cypher. Ayan, good job CEO. Okay, so again guys, that's all for our daily Cypher. Take note, ang Morse code natin is burn. Okay, para sa additional na 1 million na points. Thank you so much guys!